If your Infinix Smart 10 MDM keeps coming back after reboot, Wi-Fi or OTA, this is the video that fixes it for good. This method removes the MDM completely and permanently. No relock. Watch how it's done on the latest security patch. You need to select the make and the model of the phone. Select the make and the model of the phone, then you make sure the mode you select is factory mode in order to back up very fast, in order for the backup to run faster. All right, next you are going to back up the selected partition. And you have to include the security partitions in case of anti-crack. So you restore them back. Then you copy after backup, you copy the super and misdata to a separate folder while keeping the original files intact because we are editing it manually. So in case of any mistake, you have to just return, delete the old ones, and just copy it again. So now, I did the editing manually, so you edit the misdata and super manually. After you've done that, you come back to CM2, and now format these selected partitions. That was a mistake. I want to take misdata. Misdata is not included. Persists catch metadata and user data. Those are the partitions you are going to format. Now, after you've formatted the partitions, the next step is to restore the edited super and misdata. After you've restored them, you reboot the phone and enable ADB Android Debug Bridge. Boot up the phone, do your initial setup, and enable Android Debug Bridge. Then you open your tool, any tool that you have, other smart tool, an issue, any one, and I'm using an issue here. Then you Spd Bypass New 2026, you click it, you make your bypass. And the second procedure is to fix Playstore. This will disable Playstore and Play services, and it will enable it to install Aurora Store for you. So when it is done, we're now getting into the phone so that I show you the next step. Then we are going to set up our Aurora Store. You can leave this one, there's no problem. Now you go and set your date and time. Make sure your date and time is set up correctly. You have to set it to the present day you are in. In order to avoid DNS error, you have to make sure your date and time are set up properly. And this is done before connecting to the internet. So your date and time has to be set up first before you connect the phone to your internet or to the internet. And now you connect your phone to an internet source, either Wi-Fi or SIM card, anyone available. Now, if the internet showed DNS error like this, you have to go back and check your date and time. Toggle the automatic and manual tab. Yes, you have to toggle this off and on. You check it, come back. Now you see everything is connected. Then you can test your work now. Make sure it's browsing. The phone is browsing normal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more of this type of video.